Do you wish there was a way for you to stay home with your babies instead of spending three-fourths of your day stuck at your 9 to 5? Do you wish you felt confident that the skills you have could translate to another career without needing another degree or tons of experience? That you could afford to take that dream vacation to the beach with your husband or to Disney with your family? That your income had the ability to grow as much as you wanted it to instead of being capped? Mama, I know what it feels like to feel trapped in your 9 to 5 and feeling desperate to be at home with your babies. I was there 4 years ago, and I can honestly tell you that it doesn't have to be this way. Imagine if you had the freedom to set your own schedule and get paid anywhere from $30 an hour to $100 an hour while working from home. What if you could pay off your debt and take some of the financial burden off of your spouse? This is so possible for you. With the Virtual Assistant Mama Academy, you'll be able to do all of this and more. VAMA is your step by step guide to becoming a virtual assistant and replacing your income. With this program, you'll learn how to work from home in your PJs, with your kiddos by your side, on your own schedule, offering services that light you up. You'll walk away knowing what services you'd love to offer. You'll understand how to land those clients that will help you replace your income quickly. You'll have the tools, templates, accountability, and support you need to make this dream a reality. And you'll be able to do all of this with all of the other amazing VAMA students who are right where you are. For a limited time, I'm offering some super special bonuses when you join the Virtual Assistant Mama Academy. But hurry because doors close Friday, January 19th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. Learn more about what's included and join us in the Virtual Assistant Mama Academy at virtualassistantmama.com. I can't wait to guide you as you ditch your 9 to 5 and step into your new calling as a virtual assistant.